Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are back in Judge Marabel's courtroom. It is a landlord-tenant case that actually seems a little bit out of control, but has a great resolution. So thank you for coming back. And as always, these videos are my opinion only. It's not any legal advice, and it's not indicative of any laws. And as always, please like and subscribe. And down below is my PayPal. If you would like to help support my channel, I would appreciate. If you feel like it, you don't have to. I'm not asking for money. If you feel like it, I would appreciate the help. But anyways, let's get to the video.
Cheryl Calloway and Gregory Kelly versus Marianne Leverett. This is case number C22G5557LT. Who's here on this?
Hello, Cheryl Calloway.
Okay, hang on here. What about the defendants?
Marianne Leverett.
Hey, what about Gregory Kelly?
I don't know if he's gonna be able to attend it.
Why isn't he going to be here?
He just managed my apartment. That's about it. Managed my house. I'm the owner of the home.
Right, okay. All right, so let me go through Ms. Leverett. Let me give you. Are you on the bus?
No, I waited. I have to pick my daughter up from school and I'm late. So
You're not driving, are you?
yes.
Well, you know I'm not going to do a hearing with you driving.
She shouldn't put the picture.
So maybe you should pull over.
I'm about to. Okay.
Okay. You're stopped. You're in a safe location.
Yes, I am.
Good. Now, Ms. Leverett, you have the right to be represented by an attorney. You understand?
Yes.
And you might be able to get an attorney free of charge from Legal Services of Eastern Michigan. Do you understand?
Yes.
And I would give you a brand new court date to give you the opportunity to speak to an attorney. Do you understand that?
Yes.
So knowing all of that, are you going to represent yourself or are you going to speak to an attorney?
I'm going to speak to an attorney.
Okay. Are you going to go to Legal Services, do you think?
Yes, legal services.
You have the phone number for Legal Services?
Now, can I get it from you, please?
Yes. You ready? 234
Yes.
2621.
Thank you.
We're going to adjourn this to November 9th at 9:30 a.m. No, 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock a.m. They got to talk to me.
Judge,
Now,
can I say something?
hang on just a second. Hang on.
Okay.
Yes, what do you want to tell me?
Will she please let us in the house to find out what is the toilet plumbing? She turned the alarm on, so we cannot go in there at all. I didn't travel up there 3 times from Memphis to Michigan to see about trying to speak with her. Has not been nobody at the house.
Ma'am, you is lying. I don't even know you. I never saw you a day in my life.
Ma'am, I am the owner of the house. And Greg Kelly, all he did was managing it. And I got proof that I can show I flew there 3 times.
Okay.
And I've been over to the house and knocked on your door. Nobody answered the door. I asked Mr. Kelly, who are you? And he said, you work 12 to 14 hours a day. He said, he cannot get you to turn the alarm system off. Now, how do I know you got an alarm system?
He's lying, and you're lying too. Like I said, I have
okay. Are there alarm systems on the house?
I have a video camera on my door.
Okay, hang on just a second. Hang on. Now, look, Ms. Calloway?
Yes, she didn't complain about plumbing the toilet.
Did you
How can I get in?
Wait a minute, did you say, Wait a minute, did you say that you came here all the way from Memphis, Tennessee, or Memphis, Michigan?
Memphis, Tennessee. And I got verification of the flight, every flight I made there to go talk to her myself.
Ma'am, you came up here without having an appointment set up with her?
I came there to go to court. The first time I came and I filed the paperwork. Second time I came, I paid a $50-some to go to court. And that's why all I wanted was my property back, because this is getting ridiculous.
What's ridiculous? That you've got to come to court? That you've got to
No,
file the papers?
no, sir.
What part is
No.
ridiculous?
She hasn't paid rent since June. I just wanted my
That's
property
not what
back.
I'm asking you. Okay, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
So you're sort of misrepresenting things when you say you came all the way here just to check on her toilet. That's not really accurate, is it?
No. Your Honor, I came there the first time to find out who she is and talk to her, because that was back in May, because she hasn't paid. That was back in June, because she has not paid rent. I got there around Father's Day, because I have not received no rent from her. I came up there.
Ma'am, you mentioned the toilet now. You mentioned the toilet.
She told Mr. Kelly the reason she have not paid rent because the toilet is not working. Mr. Kelly stated he asked her to turn the alarm system off. She has not turned it off yet. Now, that's why I came there to find out, was he lying, she lying, or what's going on?
Okay.
Now, do you have an alarm on the house?
Can I talk, Your Honor?
Ma'am, is there an alarm system on there, Miss?
Yes, it is. It's a doorbell. Yes, it's a doorbell cam on my door that will verify that she never came to my house, not one time. Now this toilet situation.
Okay. Ma'am, Miss Leverett, I don't know why you guys won't email or text or communicate.
I have text messages.
Yes, she have text messages, Kelly.
I have text messages of him calling me out my name. I have text messages of everything that I asked that man to fix in that house. When the ceiling fell in my daughter's room and it broke their beds, I have everything. I have pictures. I have everything that this man have not done to this.
Correct.
And I never met. So no, I don't.
Okay, correction. You're right about the ceiling fan, and I turned it into the real estate people. Then they come. I mean, the insurance company. Then they come over.
No, they came, but they didn't fix anything. Nothing was fixed on the house. Not even the roof. It still leaks in their room. So, like I said, I do want to see an attorney, because y'all haven't been keeping up the property. And the only time I can keep anything out of that man is when I'll call and I'll be like, okay, well, I'll hold the rent until then. And then he'll come and it. I'm sorry for saying that, but that's what he call it, and he'll come and fix it. I have
you know what? Stop talking. Stop.
Well, I'm glad. Judge, I'm glad she's telling me, because I didn't know what was going on.
No, I told you to stop talking.
Okay.
Miss Leverett, I'm not going to tolerate your language in here.
I'm sorry.
I already had a whole little thing. You better act like you're in court, not out at the bar somewhere. Driving around, this is not acceptable. Driving around when we're supposed to be in court.
Yes, I've been on here since early. I didn't know it was going to.
Ma'am, so have a lot of people. So have a lot of people. You're not alone. So have a lot of people. You're not getting special treatment on that. Now, Miss Calloway, are you physically in Michigan now, or are you in Tennessee?
I left there I'm back in Memphis now. But if I have to make a trip back there, I will do. I'm not doubting that she's not telling the truth. I don't know. I cannot personally say I know. And like I told her, I thought every attention, all that was fixed. That's why I came here, to come to her house to try to talk to her. I even sent my sister over there and asked her to put the number on the door.
Okay, I tell you what. So you guys never really have had a conversation with each other?
I never met.
No, I never met. Nope, I never met her. She correct.
She correct. Hey, guess what? You
Yes.
guys are going to have a conversation with each other. So,
Right.
Ms. Calloway,
And I'm
meet
glad I
Ms.
met her.
Leverett. We're going to put you
Okay.
guys in a breakout room right now. And let me tell
Okay.
you what you guys need to be talking about, okay? This is
Give
what
me
you
a
need to be
side.
talking about if you want to behave like grown folks that I'm going to take seriously, okay?
Okay.
You need to be talking about what repairs need to be made, okay? You need to be
Okay.
talking about how are you guys going to communicate with each other in the future? Is it going to be email? Is it going to be text messages? Who is she supposed to communicate with? Kelly, or is she supposed to communicate with Calloway? No, don't tell me. You all are going to have this conversation with each
Okay.
other. The other
Okay.
thing that you're going to talk about is a timetable
Okay.
for when the landlord can get in there and have somebody look at this stuff that's supposed to be
Okay.
wrong. We're putting the two of you in a breakout room. And when you guys
Okay.
come out of there, maybe somebody will take notes and you're going to tell me what you guys agreed to regarding that
Okay.
stuff, okay?
Okay. Yes,
And
sir.
I'm not going to have you using the N-word in here, Miss Leverett. You're about to get held in contempt of court. You do it again.
Okay.
You read me? Do you read me?
Yes.
All right.
They both need to be
Thank you.
watching their screens carefully to catch this invitation to the breakout room.
Okay, back to Calloway and Kelly versus Leverett.
Hello. I'm here. Hello.
I'm here.
Yes, I hear you. Okay,
Judge,
who's
at
going to
the-
report?
listen.
Who's going to report on what happened in the breakout room?
Please
we, after hearing what she had to say to me, I'm gonna dismiss myself from it. She says she's moving the first part of November. I'm coming down and board my house up because the things she said wasn't fixed. I know I paid to get it fixed. So therefore, I was lied to about a whole lot of stuff. And
By
I
who?
actually believe what she said, Greg Kelly. And I believe I told her I believe what she's telling me. So with that, I'm not gonna argue, fuss about it. I'm just gonna dismiss and come up there the first part of November and close my house down until I get these things fixed. Cause I know the roof was paid, because when a tree fell on my roof, the insurance company paid for it. Once she told me it was a tarp in the attic, I told her I don't live like this and I'm not gonna make her live like that. No way I would ever do no mess
Well,
like that. But-
Okay, all right. Well, look. I've adjourned it to November 9th at 9 o'clock in the morning. Miss Calloway, if you want to dismiss it before we get to that date, I'm okay with that too.
I'm not even asking for no money from her. I'm not asking nothing from her, nothing, because I hate she went through that.
What was that date again?
November 9th.
So do I have to call? Because I live in Memphis, Tennessee. So will it be back on Zoom and I can dismiss it then? But if I can dismiss it now,
Yes.
I will dismiss it now.
You want to dismiss it today?
Yes, let it go. I told her she owed me nothing.
Okay.
She
so
said she
what about-
wants to move and that's it. And if she don't get out by the first week of November when I get there, I just have to sit there and give her the month of November to move, because I don't want the house sitting empty anyway. So that's a help to me where it won't get tore up.
Okay,
But I
I'll
hate
dismiss
she
it on
went
your
through that.
motion.
Yes, I hate she went through that. So I'm not even gonna fight against that. There's nothing for me to fight against. It's just I was told a bunch of lies. And I will be there in Michigan in November to get it straightened out. And I was glad I met her.
Okay.
That's the reason I went to court.
Well, a phone call and an email probably would have worked too.
I tried to get her number.
But-
I left a mess on her door. She said she didn't get it. I tried to get it from Mr. Kelly.
Okay.
Mr. Kelly to return it. So really, I was in the blind with everything that went on.
Well, okay. Well, all right. I will dismiss it, ma'am.
Okay, we got it straightened out. Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
You both can disconnect.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, the dismissal is without prejudice, so it could be refiled if needed.
Okay. How do I hang
All
it
right.
up?